Okay, let's go to a new one. Now, loops. Loops are something that happen a lot. Okay, so let's say, all right, there's three different kinds of loops I want to show you. The first one is you want to do something a certain number of times, 5 times, 10 times, 25 students. I don't want to do grading for each one. I want to do 21 times, repeat something. Forever loop. Forever loop is an infinite loop. It goes on and on forever. It will never stop. Like the solar system, you want to go, the Earth goes around and won't stop going around the sun. So that would be forever. And if you ever want to hear my infinite loop knock knock joke, come find me. Repeat until. You can put in a condition and it will repeat as long as the condition is true. So let's say we want to do something. Repeat 5 times. Now, why are loops so important though? Loops are really important because loops save you time. You can do something. Let's say I want to play a note. Where's my note? I want to play this note. Now, if I want to play it once, I can just play it. But what if I want to play it 5 times? I can put it in a loop. So what if I wanted to do it 10 times or 25 times? You can see how much putting it in a loop saves you. You don't have to just go play note, play note, play note, play note, note. You can just put it in a loop. And what if you had a beat that repeats a chorus that you want to happen again and again and again? So I like when I'm giving music examples when I know nothing about music, but you get my point. There's things that you might want to do, and then you might want to do it 20 times or 300 times, and having a loop really saves you a lot of time. Or possibly you want to do it forever, and that's not possible to code do this forever. So in a loop, in a forever loop, you could just go on infinitely forever. So loops are really valuable, and you'll be using them a lot.